How to rejoin the same server in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to rejoin the same server in Roblox. So first of all, you need to go to Google and search for Pro, which is one of the Google extensions. Or you can also directly go to Chrome extensions and then search for Pro. It is a popular and safe extension. So click on the first link and then click on Add to Chrome to install it. As I already have it installed in my web browser, you can see that I had the option of remove from the Chrome only. Now once installed, refresh the Roblox page and you will see Verify Row User option. Click on it to verify your account, and this involves getting a code. A game will open to give you emojis you will need to input to verify that it's you, and then click on Generate Verification Code and then copy the code and paste the code to automatically verify. Next, you can open any game you like, and you will see your total play time. Below that, there you will see the option of My Recent Server section. Click on it and open the game client, and the game will load. And after entering the server, close the game and refresh the Roblox page. And in My Recent Server section, you will see the server that you were just on. It might take a moment to appear, so this allows you to rejoin that specific server again. So this was all about it. This is how you can rejoin the same server in Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.